First and foremost, ask yourself, what are you doing to prevent a network intrusion? So the big ones we talked about, multi-factor authentication, make sure that's on every email account, every means of accessing your network remotely, whether that's a remote desktop protocol or whether that's a VPN like we discussed. So that's number one, make sure that the criminals can't get in. And if they do, then number two would be, what are you doing to prevent the lateral movement in your network? We talked about criminals getting into your network and then maybe going after your backups or maybe moving through the email accounts to get to the more important people within the organization. So things like endpoint detection and response software can monitor that activity within your network and try to figure out if there's anything anomalous going on. And then number three would be, if all else fails, you suffer an intrusion, the criminal is able to move laterally within your network, and you suffer something like a catastrophic ransomware attack, what are you doing to recover in a timely fashion? So have you tested your backups to make sure that you're able to recover in a timely fashion? Do you have the business continuity planning in place, the incident response planning? And reasonably, if you were hit with an attack, ask yourself, how long would it take you to get back up and running so that you can focus on growing the business and not having to deal with the headache of a business downtime for multiple days? So just succinctly, what are you doing to prevent intrusions? What are you doing to prevent lateral movement within the network? And what are you doing in case of a disaster to recover the business quickly?